Powerful engines, heavy loads, and zero room for mistakes. Titan Rig takes you through the craziest truck fails where one bad decision is all it takes to create complete chaos. Buckle up and let's get started. The truck decided the bus needed some extra motivation. That exit had a little too much fire behind it. Lucky this time, it only destroyed a quarter of the house.
Yeah.
The only thing getting delivered now is a massive repair bill.
I am behind a trailer, car carrier.
Turns out, the wind was the strongest thing on the road today.
Oh,
Someone accidentally became the neighborhood's biggest switch. When you accidentally become the reason the ambulance has more work. The road got a little slippery, and the bus learned the hard way. Someone definitely saw that and thought there was a volcanic eruption.
Generator's running away, isn't it? The air inlet.
yeah, I'm not going to have more air free.
I wouldn't worry at this point about running half of it.
That tire finally decided it was done with this job. That was one way to make sure the bridge remembered you. The mud wasn't blocking the way. It was claiming the truck. Once the gates drop, the train always gets the final say. The road asked for patience, but someone brought Just a little rain to reveal who's really in control. Quick nap is great, just not behind the wheel. A surprise visit nobody wanted on their schedule.
Ja pierdolę. O kurwa, co to się dzieje? Pierdala ten gość.
Ever wonder what it's like to be a regular-sized person in a hobbit house?
O ja.
When the route changes from driving to diving,
Бля, там же аккумулятор.
Monday morning's safety meeting just found its opening slide.
Hold on. Hold on. You're good. Oh, I don't think that's making it. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, it didn't make it. It did not make it.
If at first you don't succeed, try again.
Oh, you're good. You're good. You're good. You're good. You're good. You're good. Going. You're good. You're good. You're good. Keep going. No. Why'd you stop?
Truck had a long day. Time for a little roadside nap. What made this driver think beating the train was a good idea? Proof that both dash and rear cameras are worth investing in. The tank truck really wanted to make sure they noticed each other. The logs clearly weren't ready to stay on board for the whole trip. That tire had a breaking point, and it made sure everyone knew. That was definitely not part of the delivery plan. Nobody wants to be the filling in a two-truck sandwich. Some drivers miss an exit. Others create a whole new traffic rule. The rear view mirror was clearly having a quiet day. Winter roads have a talent for humbling even confident drivers.
Westbound stop. It's icy up here.
Ah, nothing like a good sneeze to start the day. The toughest battles aren't always against the toughest things. Someone looking for a new job. When just a little farther becomes a very expensive idea. This driver finally woke up, just not in the way anyone wanted. The tire wanted a break, but this was a little dramatic. The bridge asked for traffic, not a stress test. And this is exactly why your delivery might arrive later than planned.
She got a wrapper on, and the rescue begin. Now the rescue begin. Let's see what Louisville can do. Let's get it in there, y'all.
She's right there.
They see he going down. That's right. He ain't.
The truck found a parking spot nobody would recommend.
That's right. Get the door open.
The road was shared space until someone had a different idea. Someone just made a bridge famous for all the wrong reasons. The homeowner definitely wasn't expecting this kind of delivery. That's one expensive way to say my bad. A very loud way to ask for a replacement. The neighborhood definitely wasn't expecting this power update. Looks like this wasn't exactly the destination they had planned. Sometimes the hardest turn is knowing when not to make it. The wood clearly wasn't interested in waiting for delivery. Well, that's one way to make the road smell unforgettable. When the equipment designed to handle problems becomes the problem. Not exactly the driving technique they teach at training. That's one way to make sure nobody gets past you. That was a little too much excitement for a parked car.
Oops.
This ramp looks like it came with a good luck warning. That's a lot of effort for a hill that clearly has no sympathy. Tough terrain gives drivers two choices: become a lesson or become a legend. Nothing creates a convertible faster than ignoring a clearance warning. Confidence got the truck there. The mud handled the rest. That wasn't a crunch. That was a wallet crying. A new definition of taking a day off. A delivery that became a little too memorable. The fastest route isn't always the smartest route.
O que chofer for fazer, não aí? Quem te deu carteira, filho ruim?
This truck was confident, but the bridge was more confident.
Andou com uma confiável.
Not exactly the best way to start the day.
Ya kwa Jehanamu.
Confidence is great. Overconfidence is where the trouble starts. Never underestimate the danger of a driver who thinks they're better than they are. Whoever secured that load clearly believed in luck more than straps. Sometimes the road has a way of humbling people. Rain doesn't ruin the road. It reveals who is ready for it. Everything was fine, right up until it wasn't.
¡Déjalo que se vaya! ¡Déjalo!
The brakes failed, and suddenly the truck became its own driver. All that power just to lose a battle against wet dirt. Honestly, who do you think was most at fault today? Let's debate in the comments. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to stick around for more. Until next time, take care.